I was looking for you.
Yeah, I had gone for a seminar on deep learning.
What a coincidence. I'm planning to join an AI course too. I guess they are one and the same.
No, it's not.
How is it different?
See, artificial intelligence solves a task usually requiring human intelligence.
How is ML different?
Machine learning solves a specific artificial intelligence task by learning from data, making it like a very strict subset of artificial intelligence.
Okay.
DL, which is deep learning, on the other hand, is a machine learning problem which mimics a human brain's neural networks. So, if I put it all together, artificial intelligence is an umbrella term under which machine learning is one type of learning, and then under that deep learning which mimics the human neural network.
So if I were to create a robot which kinds of plays a role of a pet for me, what should I do?
See, let me get one thing straight, okay? There is nothing in this world as part of artificial intelligence that can completely learn on its own. At least not yet. So, there are different schools of thoughts here about what really is self-learning, but most machine learning algorithms today use something called supervised learning, wherein the algorithm is given data with labels and then asked to predict.
So are you saying it's like training a baby to identify alphabet and then asking the baby to identify a letter?
Exactly. Another method of machine learning is reinforcement learning, where the actual results are fed back to the system as feedback to make it better over time. For example, the same baby that you just mentioned is told that her identification of A is wrong so that it can guess again and again until she gets it right.
So you're saying it's more like a feedback loop wherein we are punished for what we are doing wrong and we are not punished for what we are doing right.
Correct, that's correct. There is also another area of machine learning which is called unsupervised learning, but what we need to note here is that unsupervised machine learning deals with clustering, identifying similarities, but it by itself doesn't learn something and then do something on its own.
Can I say, okay, with all this, Terminator will be here soon, maybe in another 10 years?
No, not even close. See, expecting a Terminator kind of a robo that has artificial general intelligence so soon is equivalent to expecting to travel to Pluto and come back in our lifetimes. While it will be possible in some time in the future, but no one knows for sure how many decades or even centuries it could take.
Okay, I thought I could do a startup in AI, but I realized it is only for multi-million-dollar companies.
No, you could actually start up something in AI, just that you need to know AI, that is another thing altogether. Thanks to groups that made artificial intelligence completely open source, it is now possible with few $100 to build a complete machine learning algorithm. Say for example, if you are utilizing Google's Vision API, which is a Google's vision algorithm that can identify objects in photos, you only need few $100. So you can literally start a company which can do something like that.
Things like music painting will still remain a human thing, I guess.
There are already bots that can perform literally every art form, including drawing, painting, writing articles. In fact, the soundtrack that I'm just playing right now is actually created by an artificial intelligence bot.
Okay, how about Alexa? I think they are very heavily dependent on artificial intelligence.
Yeah, that's a very popular misconception.
So you're saying it doesn't depend on artificial intelligence, Alexa?
No, I'm not totally saying that, but Voice assistants mostly use keywords to understand what user is asking, then try to match it with keywords already mentioned by a software developer. And then it uses this to provide a response which is programmed by the developer. While there is machine learning in voice identification, then text to voice and voice to text and all that, it is just simply good programming and, more importantly, intelligent marketing.
So when we talk about this, I think eventually when we invest a lot in AI and AI becomes really huge, do you think AI will replace humans? I'm really scared.
No, don't worry, it's not going to happen, at least in our lifetimes. AI will be able to acceptably perform every kind of activity that human being performs. But the humanness or consciousness that human being possesses cannot be replaced by artificial intelligence, at least for the foreseeable future. Simply because it's completely unpredictable. Human beings are just unpredictable, so it's so your life is safe, don't worry.
Thank you.